Snakes don't chew their food, they swallow it whole, and the way they do it looks almost impossible. Now, if you've ever wondered how a snake can eat something bigger than its own head, you're in the right place. Because snakes don't eat like mammals, birds, or even most reptiles. They have a completely different feeding system built for swallowing prey whole, and it's one of the most fascinating things in the animal kingdom. In this video, we're breaking down how snakes hunt, how they swallow, how they breathe while eating, and why their entire body is designed for this job. First, let's clear up one big myth. Snakes do not chew their food. They don't have jaws built for chewing, and they don't need to tear prey into pieces. Instead, their teeth are sharp and curved backward, which helps them grab and hold onto prey so it can't escape. Now, here's where things get wild. A snake's jaws are not fused the way ours are. The bones in the skull are connected by stretchy ligaments, which gives the snake an incredible ability to open its mouth much wider than you'd expect. And that's not all. The left and right sides of the jaw can move somewhat independently, which helps the snake walk its mouth over the prey. So instead of biting and chewing, the snake basically works the prey inward little by little. It grips, shifts, and pulls until the entire animal is inside the mouth. If you watch closely, it almost looks like the snake is slowly climbing over the food, but swallowing is only part of the story. The snake also has to keep breathing while a whole meal is going down its throat. That's why snakes can extend their glottis, basically the opening to the windpipe, forward, so they can keep air moving even while their mouth is full. It looks strange, but it's a brilliant survival adaptation. And what happens after the prey is swallowed? That's when digestion really kicks in. A snake's body shifts into an energy-saving meal processing mode. Digestive organs become more active, stomach acids and enzymes break down the food, and the snake may stay still for hours or even days while its body works through the meal. Different snakes do this in different ways. Some eat small prey relatively quickly, while others can take a long time to swallow a larger meal. But the basic system is the same: grab, widen, swallow, breathe, digest. Another important thing to know is that snakes usually eat head first. That's because legs, feathers, or fur fold more easily in that direction, making the meal easier to swallow. Nature did not make snakes elegant eaters, it made them efficient ones. And here's the part that really shows how specialized snakes are. Their entire feeding style is tied to their shape, hunting method, and habitat. A constrictor, a venomous snake, and an egg-eating snake may all eat in very different ways, but each one is perfectly adapted to its own kind of prey. So when people ask how snakes eat, the answer is simple, but the process is anything but simple. They don't just eat food. They engineer a whole body movement around swallowing it. So the next time you see a snake eat, remember, what looks like a slow, weird process is actually one of the most advanced feeding systems in nature. No chewing, no tearing, just a perfectly built body doing exactly what evolution designed it to do. And honestly, that's what makes snakes so fascinating. They don't eat like other animals because they were never built to. Snakes don't chew their meals, they swallow the challenge whole. If you want more wildlife and snake behavior videos like this, subscribe for the next breakdown.